Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a cord all by yourself or a rope, whatever you want to call it. So you see how lovely this looks, and it's great for handles for purses, but you can use it for pretty much anything. It's going to be super simple, and it is a little bit stretchy, but it still holds its shape, and that's exactly what we want in cords. So I'm going to show you what I used, and it's the Woolly Hugs rope. And yeah, let me find the beginning and we'll start right away. I'm using a crocheting hook, 4mm one, just so we have a tighter end result. Let's chain 2 for starters. And then we're gonna go into the first one and we're gonna do a single crochet. Okay, then we're gonna turn our work, and here we're gonna go through these 2 loops, and then we're gonna do a treble, so through 2 loops and through 2 more. And now it's gonna be simpler, so turn, and into the 2 loops that you see on top. They're really easy to find, just make sure you don't catch the bottom one like I do. Yeah, so just go through and do a single there. And when you do this, I'm gonna get a little bit closer. You see how symmetrical both sides are, so they look the same way. Then we're gonna go again and turn, and we're gonna go through and just do a single crochet. So from this point on, it's really easy. And then you again turn, go through the 2 loops and take the yarn with you, and just keep turning and keep prolonging or making your cord longer, making it bigger. And this is all that you need to do. I also measured because I wanted to see how much you're gonna need for a meter. And if you want to do a meter in length, you're gonna need about 200 of these singles. Also, we do want to stretch this a little bit as we work, because this way it's gonna work much better when you wear it, in case you're doing a purse with this. So you do want a little bit of stretch in there. And this is what we have for now. You see how quickly this goes, and you see a really nice structure as well as a really nice thickness here. And I think you can do this in front of the TV. It's really relaxing and you get an amazing result in the end. And this is it for today. We have a pretty short and simple project, so I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next project. I do larger projects as well as small projects like this one, so make sure to check it out, and maybe you'll find something that you enjoy and would like to do yourself. So see you next time. Bye!